This video will show you how to install the Intermatic Ascend Smart or Standard in-wall timer into a standard light switch. Please note that the Ascend can only be installed in locations that include a neutral wire, which should be present if your home was built or rewired after 1972. Remember to always follow basic safety precautions when installing and operating this product and associated equipment. It is crucial that you turn off the power at the circuit breaker or disconnect switch before you begin. To start, remove the existing switch from the wall and disconnect the wires. Next, connect the green wire of the Ascend to the green wire or ground from the wall. Be sure to place a twist-on connector at each junction. Then connect white to neutral, which should also be white. Now locate the line wire, which should be black, and connect it to black on the Ascend. Next, locate the load wire in the wall, which is usually black in residential applications. Connect the load wire to blue on the Ascend. Finally, use the gray twist-on connector to cap the red wire on the Ascend, as this will not be needed in a standard installation. Alternatively, you may have a neutral wire coming from the breaker, as well as a neutral wire coming from the fixture. You may also have a ground wire coming from the breaker, as well as a ground wire coming from the fixture. In that case, connect both ground wires to green on the Ascend and both neutral wires to the white wire on the Ascend. The rest of the wiring will be the same as before, with the line wire to black on your Ascend device and the load wire to blue on your Ascend device. Again, keep the red wire of the Ascend capped. Once all wires are connected, carefully place them back into the wall and screw in the Ascend timer and then a wall plate. Turn the power back on, and that's it. Your new Ascend in-wall timer is installed and ready to use. And if you get stuck at any point in the process, you can call technical support at 815-675-7000, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central, or email techsupport@intermatic.com. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.